Thinking of buying the Purple Restore Hybrid Mattress? In this video, I will tell you who should buy this mattress, its comfort level, materials, age suitability, health benefits, lifespan, and finally, is it really worth your money or not? Some features of this mattress. The Purple Restore Hybrid Mattress is a premium hybrid mattress. This mattress is made using GelFlex Grid, comfort foam, and responsive coils. Hybrid mattresses are usually preferred by people who want good body support, pressure relief, cooling sleep, long-lasting comfort. This type of mattress is popular among working professionals, couples, seniors, and people with back issues. Material and build quality of this mattress. Let's understand the materials in very simple words. GelFlex Grid 2 inches. This is Purple's special material. It adjusts to your body shape and movement. It helps in cooling and pressure relief. Comfort foam. This foam adapts to your body. It adds softness and comfort. 8-inch responsive coil system. These coils give strong support to your body. They also allow air to pass, so the mattress stays cool. Soft flex cover with antimicrobial finish. This cover is breathable and stretchable. It helps the GelFlex Grid work better and stay fresh. Natural or synthetic. This mattress uses high-quality synthetic materials, not fully natural. Breathability and heat control. Very good airflow because of the grid and coils. Support and pressure relief. Excellent for spine support and pressure points. Eco-friendly? Not fully eco-friendly, but it uses non-toxic fire retardant. Comfort and firmness level of this mattress. Firmness level, medium to medium firm. Feel while sleeping. Soft on pressure points, but supportive under the body. Best sleeping positions. Back sleepers, very good. Side sleepers, excellent pressure relief. Stomach sleepers, okay for average weight. Motion isolation for couples, good. Movement is reduced, so your partner's movement won't disturb you much. Who should use this mattress? Heavy checkmark best for people with back pain, people with joint or pressure point pain, office workers who sit long hours, couples, athletes who need body recovery, hot sleepers. Body weight. Lightweight people approximate 220 pounds, very comfortable. Average weight people 176 pounds, perfect. Heavyweight people, good support, but very heavy users should test firmness. Who should avoid? People who want very soft mattresses. People who prefer traditional hard mattresses. Mattress according to age group. Kids, 5 to 12 years. Not needed. Too premium and advanced. Teenagers. Good, but slightly expensive. Adults. Excellent choice for daily comfort and back support. Senior citizens. Very good because it helps in pressure relief and easy movement. Health benefits of this mattress. Possible benefits include better spine alignment, improved back and joint support, better sleep quality, good pressure point relief, allergy-friendly cover due to antimicrobial treatment. Please note, results may vary from person to person. Mattress lifespan and durability. Expected lifespan, 8 to 10 years. Shape retention, very good. Sagging chances, low with proper use. Warranty. Usually long-term, check brand policy before buying. Things to check before buying any mattress. Before buying any mattress, always check firmness level. Mattress material. Overall thickness, this is 11.5 inches. Body weight support. Your sleeping position. Trial period. Warranty details. Is it really worth buying? Value for money. Yes, if you want premium comfort and cooling sleep. Best value for back pain sufferers, hot sleepers, couples, people looking for long-term use. My honest recommendation. Yes, but only if your budget allows. Final verdict from my side. Purple Restore Hybrid Mattress offers excellent comfort, cooling, and support. It is a premium mattress made for people who want better sleep quality. This video is for educational purposes only. Comfort depends on body type and personal preference. Always consult a doctor for medical conditions. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below your sleep problem or mattress question. We will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video.